All right, we're looking at another song here. I'm going to try and identify who the original artist is, and I'm also going to go through and rate all the versions as I go of this song. So it's called I'm a Little Bird by Chief Chow. The song is a quintessential underdog anthem. I like the underdog anthems. That's a good start for me. It explores the struggles of ordinary people who harbor big dreams but feel weighed down by their own insignificance. Wow. The harsh reality of society and the fear of failure. It touches on themes of loneliness, the price of ambition, and the deep yearning for a better life and a safe haven in an unforgiving world. It's deep stuff. The more of these that I do, the more I start to understand how Asian people write lyrics, or how they translate to English anyways. It's interesting. There's just a lot of metaphor, and you kind of have to read into what the lines say and what they're trying to describe. It's cool. I like it. All right, let's get into it. Here we go. I'm a little bird. It's a ballad.
有时候我觉得自己像一只小小鸟，想要飞，却怎么样也飞不高。
It's a pretty song.
也许有一天我栖上了枝头，却成为猎人的目标。我飞上了青天，才发现自己从此无依无靠。
I'm just gonna figure out the key. G. Okay.
每次到了夜深人静的时候，我总是睡不着。我怀疑是不是只有我的明天没有变得更好？未来会怎样？究竟有谁会知道？幸福是否只是一种传说？我永远都找不到。
Okay.
我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞也飞不高。
Wow. Okay. That's cool. Very soft and clean. I like it.
我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅一个温暖的怀抱，这样的要求算不算太高？我是一只小小小小鸟。
I don't know. It's weird. I'm not feeling it for some reason, and I'm trying not to fall asleep.
想要飞呀飞，却飞也飞不高。
Great singing.
我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅一个温暖的怀抱，这样的要求算不算太高？
So this is what's gonna happen, is that this probably is the original artist, and I just this kind of like very soft, smooth vocal it's not my thing really, so it's a bit boring for me, so. That's cool. That some of those licks that the guitar plays, those always remind me of bird calls. So I see what you're doing.
所有知道我的名字的人啊，你们好不好？
Okay, it's a big
世
intro.
界是如此的小，我们注定无处可逃。当你尝尽人情冷暖，当你却为了你的理想燃烧，生活的压力与生命的尊严，哪一个重要？我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞也飞不高。我寻寻觅觅
I like it with the band a bit better. This is fun.
温暖的怀抱，这样的要求。
There's an American artist called Owl City, and this voice sounds a lot like Owl City. It's neat.
算不算太高？我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞也飞不高。我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅一个温暖的怀抱，这样的要求算不算太高？这样的要求算不算太高？
Okay. Okay. So that was very clean, very sweet, and a good performance. And it was authentic and felt like this person could very well be the original artist of the song. But for me, it just wasn't my thing, is what I will say. I found it a little lackluster and a little I don't know. I was just waiting for something to happen the whole time, and I don't know, just didn't. So I'm gonna rate this one at like 5. All right, let's look at the next one.
有时候我觉得自己像一只小小鸟，
There we go.
想要飞，却怎么样也飞不高。
That's fun. Yeah, I like the
也
bounce.
有天我栖上了枝头，却成为猎人的目标。我飞上了青天，才发现自己从此无依无靠。每次到了夜深人静的时候，我总是睡不着。
I've seen this artist
我怀疑
before.
是不是只有我的明天没有变得更好？未来会怎
That
样
makes it more confusing though, because I know that this is like a kind of a folk artist, and folk artists so often cover songs. It's like very, very common. So this makes it even harder to discern who is the true artist.
究竟有谁会知道？
This
幸
feels
福
good
是
though.
否只是一种传说？我永远都找不到。我是一只小小小小鸟。
And it feels like a different song. Like it's got this like swing and this bounce, and this feels way better to me. It feels, yeah, not sleepy. It feels very good.
想要飞啊飞啊飞，却飞也飞不高。
Yeah.
我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅一个温暖的怀抱，这样的要求算不算太高？我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞啊飞啊飞，却飞也飞不高。我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅一个温暖的怀抱，这样的要求算不算 太高。有会唱的吗？
That's a good hook.
跟我唱。所有知道我的名字的人。
See that was a cool. I like it. I like those kind of veneers. Like there was looks like an acoustic upright piano on stage, but there was a Nord stage 2 inside of it. It's like electric keyboard. That's neat.
你们好不好？世界是如此的小，我们注定无处可逃。当我唱起人情冷暖，当你决定为了你的理想燃烧，将我的压力与生命的尊严哪一个重要？我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞啊飞啊飞，却飞也飞不高。我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅一个温暖的怀抱，这样的要求算不算太高？我是一只
See,
小。
it's so crazy. I like the song now. I want to learn it. I want to figure out how it goes. It just feels like a totally different vibe.
小小小鸟，想要飞啊飞啊飞，却飞也飞不高。
And that does come down to this person meaning it and putting a lot of spirit and soul and love into it and just having character and personality with the vocal.
我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅一个温暖的怀抱，这样的要求算不算太高？这样的要求算不算太高？
Cool. Yeah, for me that was a night and day difference, and I think I have discovered who the original artist is. But let me see. Is there another one? Oh yeah, there is. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna take that one at like a 9. There was nothing I didn't love about that. It was fun and it felt authentic and natural. Yeah. All right, let's check this next one out and see where we're at. The emo version. This is cool. It's like My Chemical Romance or something. Modulation. That's another thing is like, so I love that there's so many versions of all these songs that I've been reviewing. It's just so cool in the culture how these songs really like live and get covered and played so much. It makes you understand the importance of lots of these songs and how relevant they are.
每次到了夜深人静的时候，我总是睡不着。我怀疑是不是只有我的明天没有变得更好？未来会怎样？究竟有谁会知道？幸福是否只是一种传说？我永远都找不到。
It's a great sounding voice.
我是一只小
Sounds like Bonnie Tyler a little bit. If you know the song, it's like turn around every now and then. That Bonnie Tyler sings that song. She reminds me of Bonnie Tyler.
小小鸟
Raspy.
想要飞呀飞，却飞也飞不高。我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅，一个温暖的怀抱。这样的要求算不算太高？我是一只小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞也飞不高。我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅，一个温暖的怀抱。这样的要求算不算太高？
Yeah, everyone knows it. This is an important song. I like this version too. It works well as a rock song.
"所有知道我的名字的人啊，你们好不好？世界是如此的小，我们注定无处可逃。当我唱尽人情冷暖。
I wonder what she said there to make the audience cheer. I wonder if the lyric was something about the city that they're in or something like that. That usually makes So epic. Okay. That was cool. I think very good. Good. I really, the thing I enjoyed the most about that was the sound of her voice. That was really great. And that's something that can't really be trained. I mean, to a certain extent it can, but it's just something that is genetic mostly and has to do with your chords and cavities in your face and your anatomy in a sense. So she's very lucky, and that was a very cool sounding voice. There's something a little bit off-putting about the band and how it felt kind of like an emo My Chemical Romance sort of vibe when it seemed like kind of a, full-on rock ballad kind of moment. So for me, love the vocal. The artist felt authentic for the most part. Maybe just a little, I don't know. Maybe the setting, the surrounding, it seemed like maybe it was one of these shows where they're kind of put on the spot. I think sometimes that can affect the vibe of the person. But for me, I would give this one around a 7. Who's this? Wakizian.
有时候我觉得自己像一只小小鸟，想要飞，却怎么样也飞不高。也许有一天我骑上了枝头，却成为猎人的目标。我飞上了今天，才发现自己从此无依无靠。每次到了夜深人静的时候，我总是睡不着。我怀疑是不是只有我的明天没有变得更好？未来会怎样？究竟有谁会知道？幸福是否只是一种传说？我永远都找不到。我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞也飞不高。
Wow, that's a high note. Because, okay, let's think about this. That's like B flat. So the first artist was singing in G, which is quite a bit lower. I don't know the words, so I'm just gonna be mumbling. Da da na na na, na 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 na, ba na 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 na, na 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 na. It's a high singer.
我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅一个温暖的怀抱，这样的要求算不算太高？我是一只小小小小鸟。
This is a hard one because it could be this person or it could be our second video of the folk person, to me anyway. So I'm gonna watch the audience reaction. Sometimes you can tell from that, like, how excited they are about this artist and that they're hearing this artist sing their original song. So I'm looking for clues now because there's 4 videos and this is a tougher one.
想要飞呀飞，却飞也飞不高。我寻寻觅觅，寻
I'm smiling because this singer just feels like happy and warm. That's why I'm smiling. It's a good feeling.
一个温暖的怀抱，这样的要求算不算太高？
Whoa! Whammy bar. Put that thing away. Oh, it's Van Halen. That's awesome.
所有知道我的名字的人啊，
Oh man, yeah. If you played that way on one of the shows here, you would get fired on the spot.
世界是如此的小，我们注定无处可逃。当我尝尽人情冷暖，当你决定为了你的理想燃烧，生活的压力与生命的尊严，哪一个重要？我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞也飞不高。不是为你
It's a nice song. I can see why it's so successful.
算不算太高？我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞也飞不高。我寻寻觅觅，寻寻觅觅一个温暖的怀抱。
This could very well be an older video because it doesn't quite have the same like modern production value. None of the vocals are tuned. It sounds like a little rougher and a little more raw, so that's kind of giving me a clue.
的要求算不算太高？这样的要求算不算太高？我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞也飞不高。我是一只
See how they're pitchy like that? That just, I mean, it's live, right? So it's always a bit like that live, but with modern like shows and things like that, they'll edit and they'll kind of tune and fix things after before they put it out. So.
想要飞呀飞，却飞也飞不高。
Yeah. Could be. That could be Cheap Tap. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. Right now, I gotta think for a sec. Oh, there's another one? Oh no, I'm never gonna get this. Okay, let's just review that performance. So it seemed like I have to give it a bit of grace because I think it was an older video where lots of the editing doesn't happen back in the day. So I'm gonna consider that. The performance was cool. I think what was cool about that one was just the key, like the register. That's a very high thing to sing up in B flat there. So that was neat. I found it a little sleepy again overall. This song definitely has many lives it's lived because I've heard versions where I was, nodding off, and then I've heard versions where I was into it and like, man, I want to learn this song. So that one, I'm gonna give, I'm probably doing the thing again where that's the original artist and I'm scoring them low, and I'm sorry, but I'm not at the same time because this is my show and I say what I think. Artist felt authentic. Artist felt, authentic enough. It was just it was hard to tell, to be honest, because it was a bit boring. I'm gonna give it a 6. So we're going with a 6 on that one. We got one more to check out, so maybe more. I don't know yet how many there are, so here's the next one. See, now this person looks like they're 12, so there's no way that this is the original artist, but let's listen. Very nice. And G again in the Same key as the first singer. Like, how famous is this song? You gotta tell me, because this is a lot of different versions, you know? Must be a massive, massive song. I like that switch from minor to major. That was cool. Okay, good. You almost lost me.
当我尝尽人情冷暖，当觉悟。我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞。
He's doing a few different things. That's cool.
一只小小小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞。哦，要说不是。
Yeah, he's the only one that's gone to the A minor there instead of C. Oh, there we go. Riff. Swinging. That's awesome. I like when he sells the arrangement. Got a bit of jazz flair. Oh, they love it. I, however, did not. Let me see if there's another one here. Okay, that's it. So, what I found was that was anytime there's a singing show kind of vibe, it's a little harder to like it for me, because there's always this like pressure, you can sense it, like to build something epic that's going to be really cool. And I think that kind of steers away from the song feeling, as it should and feel authentic and stuff. That was good. He's a good singer. Some of the scatting at the end was subpar. There were some good big notes in there, but yeah, the singing kind of threw me more than anything. I didn't think it was excellent, but the band sounded good and the performance felt good overall. It was another I'm starting to sense that it's a tough song to keep me awake while you're singing, so that wasn't bad at all. I'm gonna give it around a 7. So I think it makes the second video that I watched my winner. Is that right? Yeah. And I believe, I might have to go back and see what I did here. Yeah, this one. So this second one, that is who I am going to guess is the original artist of the song. And okay, never mind. This is my winner. This is my favorite version of the song. I'm gonna try and, if I was right, I'm gonna be mad. But let's go down the line. Okay. This has to be, because what I found is that it's unique in the key that he was singing it in, and I really think that is possibly how this song could have cut through with this artist on the airwaves or whatever it was. Not to mention it's just a great song, but whoever this artist is, I think this is the original artist. But the second video is my top ranked performance and my favorite. So there you have it. Let's see. Am I right? Am I wrong? Let me know.
I sit by a sweet sunshine, heaven's eyes look to mine. Never in all my life would I let anything hurt. I'm the one to bet on till they lay me in the dirt. Give me one, your heart's so strong. Love your brother, help your mom. Oh, for all my my heart is in your hands, and I'm the one to bet on till the mountains turn to sand. I'll never leave, I love you left unsaid. Say it 1,000,000 times just so you don't forget. Forever thank my lucky stars. No one will ever understand what I did to deserve to be your dad. Nigga says your heart is safe when it's falling, when it breaks. Never in all my life would I let you go through yours alone. I'm the one to bet on till the ocean turns to stone. I'll never leave, I love you left unsaid. Say it 1,000,000 times just so you don't forget.
that without you the sun would go cold. Never in all my life did I expect you'd be my wife. You're the one to bet on till the world runs out of time. I'll never leave, I